Hey guys, welcome to CryptoBug channel. Today I am gonna tell you about how you can earn free cryptocurrency just by working. Additionally, you can earn more crypto in this app through several ways. I'll tell you all about it. So watch till the end so you don't miss anything. So here you can see I have now around 238 SWET token, which I got completely free, which is now worth around $2.18. As I told you, there are several ways you can earn in this app. But first, I will tell you how you can set up this app and start earning. To start earning free crypto, you need to install two apps. One is Sweatcoin, another is Sweat Wallet. Sweatcoin is generally used to convert your steps into Sweat cryptocurrency, and Sweat Wallet is generally used to store your cryptocurrency in that wallet. Another thing I want to mention, you don't need to do any KYC to start earning Sweat crypto. You can just simply install these apps and start earning. So first you need to install Sweatcoin app. Then you need to opt in for Sweat Crypto to start earning Sweat cryptocurrency. Here you will see one option to opt in for Sweat Crypto. If you don't opt in for Sweat Crypto, you won't earn cryptocurrency. This app is also responsible for your step count. So you need to provide proper permission to access your step count. Also remember that every day's first 5,000 steps will be converted to Sweat cryptocurrency. Rest of the steps will be converted to Sweat coin. You can use Sweat coin in this app for various utilities. Also you need to provide some permissions to run this app in background so it can track your steps. After that you need to install Sweat Wallet app and you can log in Sweat Wallet app using Sweatcoin account. Each day, your first 5,000 steps will be automatically converted to Sweat Crypto, and you can see your Sweat balance in Sweat Wallet app. There is another interesting way to earn more cryptocurrencies. You can just learn and earn more cryptocurrencies. They keep adding more courses in this section. It roughly takes around 1 or 2 minutes just complete one course. From this section, you will also get to know about other airdrops. So after completing this course, I get to know that I can earn 10 KBC token just by visiting this link and complete some simple tasks. In this app also you can stake your Sweat crypto. You will get decent interest on your crypto. So after some period of time, you will get your original crypto back, also some additional Sweat crypto based on your interest rate. So just now I am staking 10 Sweat token and here it is called Grow Jar and it takes few seconds to create a Grow Jar. And now I am hoping if in future Sweat coin price increases, I may get some good returns. There is another very good thing in Sweat Wallet app. You can just spin and earn free crypto every day, but it is not available for everyone. So after using this app for some period of time, you will get this spinner in your app. Also remember that this spinner is ad supported. So you have to watch ad every time you spin. There are also other ways to earn more cryptocurrency in this app. You can participate in Lucky Draw which is almost free of cost. And if you win, you can get some decent amount of crypto and other rewards. There are many ways to earn in this app. You can install and try it yourself. And here you can see current price of Sweat token and it is listed in major exchanges. So you won't have any problem selling your crypto. You will find all the links in the description below. And if you like my video, you can subscribe. Also, you can like. And if you don't like, you can dislike. Thank you so much, guys. See you soon. Tata. Bye bye.